Hello everyone, here is our factory and showroom. We are the manufacturer of sanitary ware and kitchenware, located in a large domestic sanitary ware production base, Chaozhou. Our company has a high-quality staff team that integrates marketing, research, development, and planning as a whole. Our products, mainly for export, sail to more than 68 countries. In order to offer premium service to more customers, we offer one-stop shopping. We offer every customer bathroom and kitchen products with reliable quality and practical design. Competitive prices. We adopted advanced industrial material and hired a group of experts to control the entire workflow, which leads to strict requirements in craftsmanship standards and inspections. Ensuring keeps producing excellent bathroom and kitchen products. Remarkable products and satisfactory customer service make our business exist continuously. Our products will play a vital role in adorning your bathroom and kitchen, and we offer 5-year limited warranty for any products. We offer drop shipping and OEM/ODM service. Creating value for customers is the business philosophy, and we continue to grow and develop in the competition. At present, the company is in the stage of brand building, while satisfying customers' demand for innovative, high-quality, and thoughtful service. We adhere to the marketing strategy of value rather than price. We hope to create a well-known, which will be welcomed by consumers through our continuous efforts. Welcome to visit us.